I'm Don from PeakGear, and I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the Roof Rack by Sherpa. Now, one of the things that you need to know about these roof racks out the gate is they are not universal. All of Sherpa's roof racks are vehicle specific, and that's because they are designed to follow the body lines of your vehicle. And that's going to give you a custom looking fit and finish on your rig. These racks are made in the USA, right in Colorado, and are going to be made of an all aluminum construction. Not only the side pieces, but the cross rails. Now, this aluminum is prepped and then it's powder coated, giving you a nice solid finish, ensuring that they're gonna hold up for whatever the trail throws at them. On top of the rack, you've got your crossbars, and these crossbars feature integrated T-slots for a variety of mounting accessories, whether it's through Sherpa or other third parties. So up here we have our recovery boards, we have Rotopax mounts, we've got some tools strapped down here, but you can also mount things like kayaks or rooftop tents. These particular roof racks are going to be rated for 400 pounds dynamic and 700 pounds static. That means even the heaviest of rooftop tents are going to be compatible. Now, as far as mounting options go, these racks are going to vary from vehicle to vehicle. So if you already have cross rails or bars on the top of your vehicle, you would remove those and use those factory mounting points to mount your Sherpa rack up top. However, some of the vehicles that don't have those, a lot of the trucks and the Jeep Wranglers, for example, you are actually going to have to drill through your roof to mount the rack, but it does come with included rubber gaskets, which is going to help keep it watertight and prevent that water and rain from getting inside your vehicle. Now, a great feature about these Sherpa roof racks are the flexibility. So you've got some options on where you want to mount your crossbars depending upon your particular needs and your setup. So these channels right here are going to allow you to mount your crossbars at different widths depending on what you're storing up there. So it's not a fixed design, it's truly a custom setup that's going to meet your needs. Now, in addition to some of those accessories that Sherpa makes for the top of their roof rack, they also make these panels right here that are going to typically go over the rear windows of your rig. And that's going to give you some additional mounting options using this system right here. So we've got a Rotopax mounted on the side, but in theory, you could mount your propane tank, your recovery gear, or whatever else you can strap to this panel. Another unique feature to the Sherpa roof racks are these windscreens right here in the front. So you actually have two options. If you're going to mount a light bar, like you see here on this particular rig, you're going to go for the half length. If you're not going to mount a light bar, you can actually go all the way up to where the top of the rack curves, giving you that full length and a bit more of a streamlined aerodynamic profile. So if you're interested in learning more or purchasing your own Sherpa roof rack for your rig, be sure to head over to our website, www.peakgear.com.